Brushmill by the Waterfall, Chester, Connecticut, 129 West Main Street in Chester. We're going to have a text bid tag sale for amazing tables that have been there for quite a few years. From the Chart House to Sage's Grill to Brushmill, these solid oak tables, Chart House tables, square tables, round tables, coffee tables, wood chairs, black bar stools. Lots to choose from. 129 West Main Street, December 18th, 9 to 11 is pickup. Text bids to 860-280-8610. That's text bids to 860-280-8610. Jennifer Swerdlick, auctioneer. This is a text bid auction only.